Welcome to this tutorial on how to change text color in WordPress quickly and easily. In this session you will learn how to navigate your WordPress dashboard and adjust the text color on your site using a series of clear and simple steps. Begin by accessing WordPress, open your web browser and go directly to the WordPress website. When the homepage loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout before finding the login option. Look toward the top right corner of the screen where you will notice a login button. Click on that button to start the process of signing into your account. Once you have clicked the login option, you will be presented with several methods to sign in. For this tutorial, select the option that says Continue with Google. When you click on Continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to choose the account you want to use. Ensure that you select the correct Google account that is linked to your WordPress website. This method simplifies the login process and allows you to access your site without having to remember additional passwords. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the Quick Links section within the WordPress dashboard. Look for an option labeled Edit Site. This quick link is designed to take you directly to the site editing interface, making it easier to modify your site's design and content. When you click on Edit Site, the WordPress editor will load, displaying your website and various customizable elements on the screen. Now that you are in the editing interface, the next step is to locate your text block. Find the section of your site where the text you want to update is located and click on that text block. This action brings up the editing options specific to that content area, allowing you to make changes with ease. Once you have selected the text block, shift your focus to the right hand panel of the screen. Here you will find a tab labeled Style. Click on the Style tab to reveal a range of customization options. In the Style options, scroll if necessary until you see the color section. Within this section, locate the option for text. Clicking on text will display a color picker that presents various hues from which you can choose. With the color picker now active, you are invited to choose the precise text color that suits your design preference. Whether you opt for a vibrant shade to catch attention or a softer color for a more understated look, select the desired color and notice the changes that take place immediately in the text block. This interactive experience not only gives you control over your site's appearance, but also allows you to experiment with different visual styles until you find the perfect one. By following these steps, you have successfully learned how to change the text color in your WordPress website. The process is straightforward and designed to be completed quickly, giving you the flexibility to update your site's styling at any time. Enjoy the newfound ease of customization as you continue to personalize your online presence using the latest features available on WordPress.